Good morning everyone. Now I am here to say a few words about my experience in first session and second session. In first session I had a lot of fear and I had shyness. Because of that reason I used to sit quietly in classroom and I didn't use it to come to the stage, and I didn't use it to talk with anyone. But coming to second session I overcame from that problem, and I'm talking here and I'm sharing my problem, sharing my feelings with everyone. In first session I used to sit quietly in the classroom, and in first session I didn't know this much of structures. When coming to second session my confidence level will be increasing day by day, and I know so much of structures. Because of the structures I can talk English without any mistake. When coming to our principal sir Jagdish sir is good person, and he always motivates us. He doesn't show bias between one student and another student. He doesn't behave like our principal, he behaves like our father, so students can share their problems with friendly nature. And Jagdish sir always motivates us, and Jagdish sir teaches aptitude, arithmetic and technical in easy way, so we can easily understand the topic. And he always motivates me. If anyone face problem he helps to her, and Jagdish sir give second chance to anyone. When coming to Chandrasekhar sir is very hardworking person. I have never seen this type of person, and Chandrasekhar sir always motivates me. Chandrasekhar sir says all accepts in English grammar, and if I did any mistake, Chandrasekhar sir rectifies my mistake, and he says what mistake I did. And Chandrasekhar sir very hardworking person. When coming to my parents, my father always supports me. My father doesn't scold me. If I did any mistake, my father rectifies my mistake, and my father always supports me. When coming to my mother cooks delicious food for us, and my mother always believes God. My mother spends so much of time with me. He always believes me. Now apena